running. I see your problem.
Okay, one more.
All right. Perfect.
That's 4 good draws.
Go for it. Hurry up, I ain't gonna shut her off. Dear, is it Craig Breed?
Yeah.
Craig, this is Phil trying to hit shots, and he wants to know what he's doing wrong. Perfect, I'd say.
Now. Uh-oh. Ooh, stay left, stay left.
Now, how do I stop it?
Hit the